Right. So if your car carpets or mats have got grounding stains, coffee spills, grease, salt, oil, ink, muddy shoe stains, basically stains that have permeated your carpets and mats, then this turtle wax heavy duty deep cleaning foam cleaner could come in quite handy. It's got oxy cleaners which acts as a catalyst to remove these stains and gives professional results. Its exclusive Odor X technology removes odor at the molecular level, and it's got sturdy bristles that are engineered to reach deep into the carpet fibres and rubber mat crevices to remove the toughest stains. It's a pressurized aerosol can, so keep out of reach of children. It can cause serious eye irritation, and it's extremely flammable, to also keep away from heat. It exudes a nice, misty, foamy leather when sprayed onto your carpet. It's got a detachable bristle handle, so if you want to work the brush a lot more, you can detach the bristle. And why is the Misty Foamy Leather a better alternative? It's a better alternative because the detergent and water mixture on your carpet takes a longer time to dry. But with a microfiber cloth, you can clean out the turtle wax carpet heavy duty cleaner in no time. And the drying time is a lot quicker. So let's spray on the turtle wax and carpet cleaner, and you can see it gives, like a foamy, misty, lathery foam, as opposed to your detergent and water mix that soaks up the carpet. This, deeply works and seeps its way through the carpet, without waterlogging your carpet. So I'm pretty much gonna be doing all of the carpets, in the car. It's in, dire need of some deep clean. So you can see I'm spraying the turtle wax deep cleaner. But remember, prior to doing this, make sure you vacuumed your car and you shake the can well before you start to spray onto your carpet. So basically, you don't want to be scrubbing on any loose dirt that you already have in your car. So it's a good idea to vacuum your car. You just hoover it and make sure that you've got no loose dirt, lurking around in there, okay? Also, make sure that you wear the appropriate face mask and that you wind down, your car window prior to, um, deep cleaning your carpets. If you're directly inhaling the turtle wax deep cleaner, it could irritate your airways and you might start to cough. And so my car windows have been wound down, okay? And so at this point in time, I'm trying to remove top stains and, to remove spots as well. So I have allowed 1 to 2 minutes for the foam to dwell, to seep through the carpet, to seep through the stained areas before scrubbing. This would facilitate top stains and spot removal. I quite like it actually, though it doesn't soak up your carpet as, opposed to the mix of detergent and water. I could get, about 2 or 3 runs from the can. It's only 400 ml aerosol can. So if you want to run for your buck or money, this can, is more suited to targeting specific spots and stains. As you can only get like, a run or two if you're doing all them carpets. But if you're targeting, specific areas on your carpet, then this is ideal. I still like it anyways. It does the job and it doesn't soak up all the carpet. So it's a no-brainer. So the next step would be to rub the foam into the carpet fibres using the brush. You know, this is to get out the top stains and the spots out. After letting the foam sit or seep into the carpet. For about a minute or two. If you're not able to work your way through, you can undo the bristle handle and get more room and work your way through awkward angles. Repeat application as needed to resolve certain stains. Then wipe with a clean microfiber cloth, or a cloth or rag, or whatever you've got to clean it off, okay? And if you're worried about the sensitivity of your carpet, test on an inconspicuous area, and if it's affected, refrain from use. And from here you can see that the carpet is a lot cleaner and it's got this professional deep clean look. I've given it a good work, so just take notice that the bristle, some of the bristle, have come off, comes with the territory. Not as overly sturdy as some of the bristle brushes out there, but it gets the job done and you've got enough bristles to get the job done. The can is almost empty anyways, it's only 400 ml, so I don't think, it's really important. As I will be getting another aerosol can. And that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, helps the channel grow. And hopefully catch up with you soon. Goodbye.